na. Let's go! Tara. Hanap kami guys ng makakainan dito sa Miami.
White chocolate. White chocolate.
Hi guys. Guys, we're going to Miami, Florida. Let's go.
Interstate on this aircraft, you may use the card to follow along. Other regulations require. Please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times while seated, even when the seatbelt sign is off. As a reminder, this is a non-smoking flight. This includes the use of e-cigarettes.
Guys, we're starting this in. Guys, we're here now in Fort Lauderdale Airport. So we're just looking for the ground transportation, and we're gonna going to the downtown Miami. Okay. Let's see. Baggage claim, transportation information. Ayan guys, ito yung guys, this is the one that they told me about. We're gonna go on F, and then we're gonna catch the free shuttle, Tri-Rail. We're gonna go to Metro Transfer, and there's like a $5 fee to Miami Central. This one. So we're just gonna take a look. Hi guys, hinahanap natin yung Zone F para sa Metro Rail. Hanapin natin. Guys, yun na ata. Guys, I think that's the one. F. We're gonna look for that. Guys, I think this is the one. Airport Shuttle, Aeropuerto Bus Tri-Rail Shuttle. Sakay na tayo guys. F to Metro Rail Transfer. Nasa bus na tayo guys, pupunta na tayo sa Metro Rail. Guys, kabababa lang natin. Dito daw papuntang ano, yung ticket, bibili tayong ticket. Nakakalito. Ayun na, ticket center. Bibili daw ng ticket guys. Yan guys, pinasok ko yung credit card ko. Thank you. Hey guys, bibili kayong ticket. It's only $5. Dito na tayo guys, sakay na tayo. Ito ang itsura niya guys, oh. Parang ano, meron pa dito. Tayong sumakay dito. Meron pa sa taas. Dito na tayo sa taas guys. Hanap tayo ng may upuan. Guys, dito na tayo. Ito na yung trend na
What's this water park?
Umandar na tayo guys.
They agreed that, at least right now, with Liam still being, living there, that it would be appropriate to like have steps.
Papunta tayo sa Metro Rail Station guys. Ito yung second station, Sheridan Street.
I would, low-key, I think I would hate it. Again, some other guys who date my mom. Right. So, that's why, for me, like, as far as they know, he was healthy. I took that 200 milligram pill one.
Dito na tayo guys, Metro Rail Station. Baba na tayo. Baba na tayo guys.
So hot. Sorry, I'll leave.
Should I go to the airport? It's whatever we go to where you're trying to go. I don't know that long. Oh, okay.
Dito na tayo guys. Thank you. Guys, kakalagpas lang natin doon. Akit tayo dito. We're going to southbound trains. Guys, we just climb up. So we're gonna go here for southbound. Going to government. I think a government place, and then going to downtown. Guys, ayan, nakikita nyo yung mga station. Dito, papunta tayong southbound. Bababa tayo dun sa government center. Ayan. Yan guys, pa northbound. Guys, dumating na, sakay na tayo. Dito tayo sasakay. Ito guys, air condition. Baba na tayo guys. Guys, dun tayo galing kanina, umikot tayo dun, tapos lumabas dito. Kaya makikita nyo ito. We're heading to Bayside Marketplace, where we're gonna have our tour. That's the beautiful building.
Oh, you see what happened?
Sakay na tayo guys.
The train is approaching. Locate D. Ferguson College North Station.
Ito na tayo guys, baba na tayo. Awit tayo guys. Hi guys, pasakay na tayo sa boat tour natin. Tara, samahan nyo ako, mag-tour tayo. Got our tickets. Hi guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa Bayside Marketplace, malapit sa mga river cruises. Nag-aantay lang ako dun sa yung cruise na yan. Diyan tayo pupunta. So, at 3 o'clock. So, meron pa tayong 30 minutes para mag-antay before the boarding. Magbo-board tayo sa Millionaire's Row around here in downtown Miami. Daming tao. Sabado kasi. And it's really nice weather here in Florida. Guys, yun pala yung sasakyan natin. Hindi na kayo. Pinicturean din ako kanina guys. Dito tayo sasakay. Nga pala itong boat ride tour, I paid $35 for the Queen Island Millionaire Rose ticket. It's gonna be like 1.5 hours tour. It's a relaxing tour around Millionaire's Row, as they said. Yeah. Boarding na guys. Yan tayo sasakay guys. Sakay na tayo guys. Thank you. Doon tayo sa taas guys. Hi guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa taas ng relax muna. Guys, di ba pinicturean tayo kanina? Pero agad souvenir. May mga souvenir photo agad tayo. Binili ko na. Hey guys, nandito ngayon tayo sa tour. Mag-aalis tayo ng around 3 o'clock. So, ikutin natin yung Millionaire's Row. Ito na to para makita nyo. Mandar na tayo guys.
In fact, that's why tourists and business people from Spanish Ashma, yo me llamo Jorge, perdóneme que estoy muy mal de la voz y tengo 2 días más que hablar y he hecho 2 más, así que no hay otra alternativa que seguir solo pueden caminar como un adulto, tampoco pueden correr por el barco, estar adentro de los coches o parados sobre los asientos. En caso de emergencia, vamos a utilizar los chalecos salvavidas, los de los niños, los que están
Guys, ganda oh.
a Miami. A la izquierda, donde está el primer puerto de la ciudad, hoy tenemos un edificio blanco circular, el Casino Center, casa de nuestro equipo de baloncesto local, los Miami. Also on the left, we have a white mega yacht. The owner is Ken Griffin, CEO of the investment firm Citadel. A la derecha hay un mega yate blanco y negro, se llama Defectivo de la firma de inversiones Citadel. The owner is Eric Schmidt, CEO of Harbor Freight Tools, the chain of hardware stores. A la derecha este mega yate blanco, Sam Infinity, 300 millones y el dueño es Eric Museum. And the white building is the New York's Lincoln Center, the Peters Arm, the James Online Concert Hall, and the Dolores and Sanford Z Opera House. They are home to the Miami Symphony Orchestra, Florida Band Opera, and the Miami City Ballet. They also have performances of Broadway musicals, jazz, and all sorts of entertainment. A la izquierda del presidente hay 2 teatros grises, completados hace 20 años, diseñados por el arquitecto argentino Mauricio Neves. Plus, we are a new city. We were founded in 1896, so much of the construction here has been overnight. One example of this would be the 6 islands and the 11 airports of the Haitian Islands. Con la cabaña, los brillantes de la isla Ponce. Surface program to clean up our 2 representatives, Lounge Club, Juice, to study these last 3 members, we can answer them all. preservation of historical buildings here in the county. La mansión de 1937.
Hey guys, sumayin tayo.
So I'll skip the to the 34-year-old mansion. Got purchased 3 years ago. Vive en la isla La Cantante y pareja más famosa de la ciudad, los cubanos Gloria y Emilio Estefan. Ellos compraron esa
Hi guys.
So this is 500 years ago. That word in native language means big water or sweet water. Aquí nació de 1980. Sede para conciertos. It's a tall and modern buildings. In fact, Miami has the third tallest skyline.
Guys, mga souvenir items, gift shop. I'm here. Oo, first time. Hi guys, we're here now in South Beach, Florida. Hi guys, we're here now in South Beach, Florida. There's a lot of like stuff going around. We're here now in South Beach, Florida. Hi guys, we're here now in South Beach, Florida. But as you notice, there's a lot of like this one right now. But still, kids and families are enjoying. Let's go to the beach. Woo! Guys, lalakad tayo ngayon dito sa South Beach. Guys, naglalakad tayo, papunta tayo sa Bal Harbour Shops. Tapos lang natin maligo, labas ulit, lakad ulit. Bal Harbour Shops. Ito parang mall. Ang ganda ng view guys. Sa rooftop to ng Bal Harbour Shops. Mga high-rise building dito sa Miami. Traffic. Good evening from Miami, Florida.